Welcome back. In my previous video, I had explained you the addition and subtraction of complex numbers. In this video, I am going to talk about multiplication and division of complex numbers. Suppose we have z equals to a plus ib. This is a given complex number. So what is I? I is nothing but under root of I equals to under root of minus 1 and I square equals to minus 1. If Z1 equals to 2 plus 3i, Z2 equals to 4 minus 8i, find Z1 into Z2 equals to how much? So Z1 into Z2 equals to, first we'll write Z1 value, that is 2 plus 3i, multiply by Z2, that is 4 minus 8i. Now we'll open the brackets, multiply both the brackets here. As good as we do in algebra. In the same way, we will open the brackets, that is 2 into 4 plus 2 into minus 8i plus 3i into 4 plus 3i multiplied by minus 8i. We can directly multiply. For you, to make you understand, I have written here. You can even directly write 8 like 8. You can write 16 directly. You can directly write 12i, and you can write directly minus 24i square. This way also you can write. Just to make you understand, I have written that step. So Z1 into Z2. So now what you do, wherever the I square is there you write down the minus 1. So 8 minus 16i plus 12i minus 24 minus 1, 8 minus 16i plus 12i plus 24. Now bring all real part at one place, that is 8 plus 24 at one place. Then I is common, then minus 16 plus 12. So that is equals to 32 minus 4i. So that is the result of Z1 into Z2. This way we multiply the complex numbers. One more example. Suppose Z1 equals to 2 plus 3i and Z2 equals to minus 5 plus 1 upon 2i. Then find Z1 multiply by Z2 equals to how much? So we are having Z1 into Z2, Z1 nothing but 2 plus 3i and Z2 nothing but minus 5 plus 1 by 2i, that is equals to 2 into minus 5 plus 2 into 1 upon 2i plus 3i into minus 5 plus 3i into 1 upon 2i. You can directly write also, but I wanted to make you understand, therefore I am writing all the steps. You can skip this above step. So plus I and minus 15i, then it is equals to 3 upon 2 I square. So minus 10 plus I minus 15i plus 3 by 2 I square equals to minus 1. Now bringing all real parts together, minus 10, 3 by 2 into minus 1, minus 3 by 2 I brought here. Then I took the I common, 1 minus 15. So that is equals to minus 10 into 2 minus 3 upon 2 plus I minus 14. So that is equals to minus 20 minus 3 upon 2 minus 14i. Therefore Z1 into Z2 equals to minus 23 upon 2 minus 14i. This is required result. Now next question. I have selected the next question in which the three complex numbers are involved. Z1 is given, Z2 given and Z3 given. Find Z1 into Z2 into Z3. So Z1 into Z2 into Z3 equals to, here we write the Z1 value 2 plus I, here we write Z2 value 3 plus 2i, and here write the Z3 value 1 plus 3i. Now we'll first manage the two brackets, keep the third bracket as it is. So 2 into 3 is 6, and here I am directly multiplying, then 4i plus 3i and plus 2i square. I manage the first two bracket and kept the third bracket as it is, that is equals to 6 plus 7i plus 2 into minus 1, 1 plus 3i, that is equals to 6 minus 2 plus 7i and 1 plus 3i equals to 4 plus 7i multiplied by 1 plus 3i. So 4 plus 7i is the result of Z1 into Z2. Now we'll multiply with the Z3. So again the same procedure, 4 plus 12i plus 7i plus 21i square. So that is equals to 4 plus 12i plus 7i plus 21i square equals to minus 1. So that is equals to 4 minus 21 plus I common, 12 plus 7, that is equals to minus 17 and plus 19i. That is the result of Z1 into Z2 into Z3. Suppose we got a complex number Z equals to a plus ib. Then conjugate of the complex number is denoted by Z bar. Z bar equals to a minus ib. So we need to change the sign of imaginary part. So example, if Z equals to 2 plus 3i, then Z bar nothing but conjugate of complex number, Z bar equals to 2 minus 3i. That means we need to change the sign of I term. One more example, if Z equals to minus 2 plus 3i, then Z bar equals to, don't touch the real part. I tell you that don't touch, don't do anything to the real part. Only you touch the imaginary part and change the sign of it, and don't change any value of the imaginary part. Only change the sign of imaginary part, that is, here was the plus 3i, so make it minus 3i. In this way, we can find out conjugate of the complex number. Here I am going to explain you how to perform the division of complex number. For that, I got the two complex numbers. One is the Z1, another is the Z2. And where Z1 equals to 2 plus 4i and Z2 equals to 3 plus 2i, and we need to find out Z1 upon Z2. So how to perform that? Let us see here. So first of all, Z1 upon Z2 equals to 2 plus 4i upon 3 plus 2i. Now what you have to do, whenever you want to find out the division of the complex number, you have to do multiply and divide by the complex conjugate of the denominator. So what is the complex conjugate of the denominator? Denominator is a 3 plus 2i and its conjugate is 3 minus 2i. So we need to multiply by its conjugate and divide by its conjugate. So Z1 upon Z2 equals to 2 plus 4i upon 3 plus 2i multiplied by 3 minus 2i upon 3 minus 2i, that is equals to 2 plus 4i multiplied by 3 minus 2i upon 3 plus 2i and multiplied by 3 minus 2i, that is equals to we need to multiply both numerator and denominator now. In numerator there are the two brackets, and denominator also there are the two brackets. We need to multiply them, and the multiplication as usual. So 2 3s are 6 minus 4i and plus 12i and minus 8i square divided by here we need to apply the formula of a plus b into a minus b equals to a square minus b square. So that formula we are applying, that is equals to 3 square minus 2i whole square. So that is equals to z1 upon z2 equals to 6 minus 4i plus 12i minus 8 into minus 1 upon 9 minus 4i square. So Z1 upon Z2 equals to 6 minus I, here I taken common, so minus 4 plus 12 and plus 8 upon 9 minus 4 into minus 1, that is equals to 6 plus 8i plus 8 upon 9 plus 4. So that is Z1 upon Z2 equals to 6 plus 8 plus 8i upon 13. So Z1 upon Z2 equals to 14 plus 8i upon 13. So this result can be written in the 2 or 3 different ways. The first way, that 1 upon 13, 14 plus 8i, this is a one way of answer we can write. And the second one, we can 14 of that Z1 upon Z2 equals to 14 upon 13 plus 8 upon 13. This way also the answer can be written. So these are the two ways you can write this answer. This is the way we can do the division of complex numbers. In last episode and in this episode, I taught you addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of complex numbers. In coming episode, in the next episode, I am going to teach you how to find out I raised to 3, I raised to 4, I raised to 10, I raised to 20, any number, I raised to any number, either the odd number or even number, like how to find out I raised to 21 or I raised to 2002, how to find out, or I raised to 10023, how to find out this type of numbers. I am going to teach you in next episode. So I request you that you compulsory watch the next video to find out I raised to odd number and I raised to even number. So these two I am going to target in the coming episode. And how do you find all the two episodes? These two episodes, please communicate with me on my email address provided in the description box. So meet you in next episode. So till then, wish you good luck. Bye bye. See you.